everyone. I'm Javon.
And I'm Kayla.
And welcome to our channel,
Lead Fam React. Alright, you guys, so now we are jumping into episode 11, Mission Starts. Just by the title, I feel like this episode is going to be a bit more like high pace.
What we were talking about in the last discussion, I kind of hope they don't just skip over their progress.
Yeah, I'd like to see at least some of it. You know, it doesn't have to be like super drawn out, but I'd like to see some of the progress at least.
Yeah, but from what the title of the episode is, it's making me think of the mission starting. We're ready to go. We already leveled.
Yeah, like we already leveled up. It's done. Here we go. After the gun devil kind of thing. With this episode and only one more after this, though, it could be that. And we don't know. We told you guys to let us know in the last video to let if there's a season 2 announced anywhere. We haven't seen anything. So I mean that really dictates where my mind goes. Yeah. If there's no season 2, like if they announced a season 2, I'd be like, oh, okay, it's gonna be a slower ending. But
I mean, they're probably gonna have a season 2 just because they have a lot more content to animate. So.
Well, we'll see. But one more thing before we jump into the video, you guys, don't forget we do have a Patreon where we have early and full-length videos on there. If you're interested in seeing everything uncut and just, as is, subscribe and we'd love to have your support. Let's jump into it.
Thank you for your patronage.
Oh, see, I missed that last time.
So I told you there was 2 people.
Well, I thought it was just him. My ear.
That typing just reminded me of last night when we were watching the girls. They go, "Can we watch Spy Kids?" I go, "Yeah, we can watch Spy Kids." It ain't Spy Kids. It's the new Spy Kids. I said, "Where's Carmen and Judy?"
Yeah. You got all the new stuff out. The remakes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Teacher is the best.
He sounds kind of friendly.
That's how they get you.
He did though. His tone of voice.
That's how they get you. Sounds personable.
I don't like his danglies.
His danglies?
Well, I got 2 years left, so.
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Ew.
That's gross. Put your head inside me.
Stop it. Just goes for it.
That's gross. I don't like this. I thought his head was gonna come out all slimy. Interesting. Gotta get that boy to Sharingan.
Oh. Ooh. Oh no. Go ahead, get in. Get in. They are going through it, man. Oh, he has a scratch on him.
Little progress.
Progress.
I was gonna say progress. Sick. Kind of makes me put things
Real combat? What have they been doing?
Nice.
Yes. Yep.
Okay, so it makes me put things into perspective as far as like how. Hold on, let me pause it. So what I was gonna say is kind of makes me think about the perspective of how strong the gun devil actually is, because I'm like looking at people like him and how strong he is, just making light work of these 2
Mm-hmm.
and you look at people like Makima,
Yeah.
like why haven't they finished the gun devil already?
I wonder if he's just hard to find.
You think he's hard to find, or if he's just
It could be a little bit of both, but
I don't know. But
I feel like the Gun Devil does a lot of his stuff like incognito, like low key, because he made everybody else do it for him. Like, remember that scene where they were all shooting people?
Yeah.
He literally like brainwashes people, I think.
Yeah. That's all. That's all I was thinking about. Like, how strong is he actually?
Mm-hmm. He's unfazed. He's like, okay. Thank you for nothing, is what he's saying.
Somebody did say in our last video that this is really where Chainsaw Man begins.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so definitely gotta be a season 2.
Ooh, I want to stay there.
Because I'm gonna body them.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and write the names down for me.
Just in case I need them.
You could die right here.
Yeah. She knows your name, my guy. Missy. I'm gonna put some respect on my girl.
Oof.
Mm.
Yeah. Got some dog treats.
It's the wrong girl.
Did her homework. Don't do it, bro.
You better put some respect on her name. Oh! Just by looking at him.
How do you know your family's eyes though? Like, so you got a bag full of eyes? Like, I wouldn't even been tripping like that. You know?
I would. You don't know. That's the thing. My mind goes worst case scenario.
You know what I mean? I'm calling her bluff. Those could be the eyeballs of all the prisoners that she just executed.
It could be.
Here's your family's eyeballs.
It very well could be.
You know? Yeah, we
No,
get
you're
it.
not.
We get it, bro. I mean, he did slice him in half last time.
Not Denji.
Yeah, he did.
Did he?
Yeah, because remember, Denji took one of his boys hostage and he sliced him in half. And then
Oh, right. You're right. Shark Boy.
I'm literally just about to say
Lob Girl? We got Lob Girl?
that. Literal shark boy. Oh, a fiend. Another fiend.
The shark is a fiend too.
These are all the people from the special unit, right?
From the
Special division.
4th division. Didn't
Oh,
you
is it the
say?
fourth?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ew. Ew. That one gives me the heebie-jeebies. Pick them up by his... This.
I was about to say the angel devil. Oh, dang.
Aki.
New blade. Catch that right.
Aki said, yeah, we're getting them back.
Yeah, gotta spin the block one time.
Blood is not funny. Uh-oh.
Yep. Hadouken.
Are these people all contracted with the Gun Devil, or are they just scared?
Oh, they're dead. Makimo. Go crazy. Remember? She wanted the names of everybody?
Yeah, no, I know.
Why didn't she explode them?
She didn't have to.
She went in there and got her way.
She sure did. She's not gonna get anything but.
You could cosplay her.
I could.
You cosplay her and I'll cosplay Denji.
For Yomika?
Yeah.
Matt would be so upset. He wants to do Street Fighter so bad.
Oh. Yes, sir. I need mine. Run it. Him versus her and then Denji versus the other dude.
Yeah.
With the assist of power.
Power.
That was old girl's power, remember? Ghost hand.
Uh-huh.
Dang.
She can control it though?
Yeah. She like hijacked it.
Yeah. But I'm curious as to why it doesn't work the same as Himeno.
She summoned it like that when she died. It came out like that.
I know, but
She's just not using it.
Himeno
Like that.
only was able to use parts of the ghost, not the entire thing. If she used the entire thing, that's how she
Well,
died.
remember, she was scared of that girl, so she's probably doing what she wants.
Oh, right.
Remember, she was
I
like,
forgot
"Girl,
about that.
dreadful."
Yeah.
She probably has a different contract with
Yeah.
her. Or the terms are probably different.
I forgot about that.
Come on, Aki.
Somebody's coming in.
Unless this is the death that he dies. Future double powers activate.
Yep.
Right eye. Wow. Wow. All right, you guys. That was Chainsaw Man episode 11. Right? That was 11.
Yeah, 11. Yeah.
11.
Mission start. I think what we said in the past episodes was right when we said that it's gonna jump past their training. I don't think they're showing any more training.
Yeah, it showed
clearly.
it. Showed it briefly, like for a little bit, where he was like, "Oh, we're gonna get into the real combat." Blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah.
But it was
I
them
think
laying
it's-
on the ground. They weren't even fighting.
Well, they didn't start it at that point. It was, oh yeah, you're right. It was yeah.
Yeah.
You're talking about as far as what we saw.
Right. We didn't see them
Yeah.
actually training.
I mean, I'm fine with that. That's cool. I mean, it is what it is. It's
That's
only
what I'm saying.
12 episodes,
Yeah,
so.
there's only one more episode left, so I mean,
So either somebody's about to save Aki, or
this is a horrible death that the future devil said.
no, either somebody's about to save him, or he's about to use that new power that he got from the future.
Yeah.
That's messed up though that she took the devil that. he
That was the
out.
first thing she used too. She knows what she's doing.
Yeah, playing the mind games. That's kind of sucky. R.I.P. But Makima, like I said though, she pulled up, you like, I got your family's eyeballs. I'm like,
I feel like I would think worst case scenario too though, and I'd be like, no, oh my god.
see, that's where I don't know. Like if somebody came up to me and said, "Here's Kayla's eyeballs," and I open up and I see some eyeballs,
You gonna know if they're my eyeballs?
yes, I'm going no. But I don't
I
know.
got Kayla's eyeballs. They're brown. You said, gotcha.
I'm just curious to learn more about Makima and what she can do and
She's taking her
And
sweet old
where-
time letting us know what
where
can
does
do.
she rank on the hierarchy?
Oh,
of-
she's up there.
Oh, I'm sure
I
she
know
is.
she's up there.
Yeah, she's probably ridiculous, but
What if she's related to the gun devil?
is her bro? Big bro?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
I don't know. Just
But the
theory.
fact that they were like, you knew about it and we
Mhm.
didn't prevent it. So
Yeah.
like, maybe
Why? You know,
ulterior motives?
one may never know.
One may never know. Great episode though, you guys. Make sure you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out when our reactions drop next. Until then, leave him.
See you at the next reaction.